Guys, thanks a lot for watching our YouTube channel. This is your old buddy Charlie coming to you from Harley-Davidson in Cool Springs. I'm going to show you a 2019 Street Bob in midnight blue. Man, what a beautiful motorcycle. Since she's a 2019, she's got the big 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 power plant. And of course, she's hooked up to that smooth 6-speed transmission. Yeah, this one's brand new, just off the truck. Man, is it ever looking good. I mean, look at this paint out here. Are you kidding me right now? These guys have knocked it out of the park. Again, she's a 2019 Street Bob, guys. It's got that really cool one-up saddle. But of course, you can add any kind of saddle you want. Man, what a good looking motorcycle. Let's come down and look at this primary side. It's got that blacked out primary with that chrome disc on there, and there's your shifter for that smooth 6-speed transmission. Yeah, these motorcycles here, guys, have been around a long time, but they've been through a lot of changes lately. They have this very awesome digital readout speedometer, and it actually tells you everything, you know, about your motor and whether you need gas and so on and so forth. So it's old school high tech to the max. 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide in midnight blue. Look at that high tech headlight. These lights throw out more lighting than I've ever seen on a motorcycle because, you know, they're high tech. Let's come around and look at that beautiful laced wheel with that huge disc brake. You need to come in and check this out for yourself. It's really, really super nice. Take it for a test ride. You just might end up taking her home. We're Harley-Davidson in Cool Springs, 7128 South Springs Drive in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to have you on our team.